with me while I tell you facts about myself. First one is I'm 20 years old. Even if others assume that I am older, I am really a 2004 baby. I am Filipino, though my grandfather from my mom's side is Australian. I was born and raised here in the Philippines. So I was born in the city, who moved to the province, and then later on moved to the city again. I decided to live independently when I turned 18 to study and work at the same time. So that was almost 2 years ago. And that is also the reason why I moved to the city again and left my province. So I forgot to put on foundation first before my concealer. But anyways, we're gonna continue. I was also a consistent honor student back in elementary to high school until the point that I started working while studying. I initially wanted to take up pre-law and go to law school afterwards, but I ended up taking marketing communications now that I'm in university. I am a lawless girl through and through. My grandmother raised me, but I'm also very close with my dad, even though I don't live with him anymore. I could say that I grew up very sheltered and spoiled, but we were taught how to be independent and hardworking at a very young age. I think that's also the reason why I mustered up the courage, even though I was really scared when I asked and wanted to move out. I'm gonna put on a little bit more concealer because I feel like what I put earlier is not enough, but I'm only gonna add up a little bit because I don't really like my makeup ending up cakey. Going back, I don't have a full sibling, but I have 7 half siblings in total. Don't ask how that happened. I actually got diagnosed with polycystic ovarian syndrome back when I was 16. Let me know if you want me to talk about it more because I feel like a lot of girls overlook this matter and I'd be okay with talking about my experience. I'm an ambivert. I do like hanging out with people, although my social battery runs out quickly, so I developed this habit of wanting to spend time alone or being in a quiet environment. And because I'm talking so much again, I forgot to put some eyebrow gel on my brows. Make that look clean because I don't like my eyebrows being all over the place. Since I wanna go for glossy or glittery lips, I'm gonna go with my Kika Milano gloss. Can you see that? Oh, amazing. So I decided to put my hair up because I wanted to achieve like the messy bun look for tonight. Anyway, that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed this little get ready with me and get to know me video. Comment down if you want part 2 and what else you want to know about me.